So this section we're going to have a look at discussing your interfaces. So you want a nice, clean, simple interface to your function. Don't make it complicated. Don't put stuff in there that doesn't need to be in there. It just needs to be taking exactly what the function needs, and it's therefore clear and simple. So if I have a definition, and I'm going to call it change to capitals, because it's going to change lowercase to capitals. And let's say I'm going to take in 3 strings, A, B, and C, colon return with that tab there. My answer is going to be changing my variable that I put in A to upper, and that's going to be my return. And we run that. So that's great, but B and C are totally useless here. They're not used at all. All I do is something on A. B and C are totally ignored. So this gives us a couple of problems. I say, right, so I just want to change one name to capital. Let's go with names. And let's run this. Change to capitals. And I just give it my first name. I try to run that. It's going to give me an error because I'm missing B and C. Well, I only want to change one name to capital, but I'm actually going to have to specify 2 more. So put your own name in here if you want, or just 3 random words. And I just need to put them in here. So first, middle, and last. Print out our answer. And it prints out my answer. So I had to do a lot of extraneous work because I haven't had a simple interface in my function. So the best thing to do really is just have the inputs that you actually need. Don't have the extraneous stuff that you're not interested in. And you want to keep your number of inputs and your number of outputs as low as you can. So a good guide is less than 7. Just try and keep this number down. You don't want one where you're putting in 30 different things, because probably you're violating other rules. If you've got that many things going in, your function is unlikely to be doing one thing. So remember, it's better to write a few good functions than one function to rule them all, because that's not the point of a function. The function does one thing clearly with a simple interface. When you're ready, move on to the next video in this section, which is the last one, which is on comments and documentation.